How has the PPI impacted your productivity?
Well, one of the things I realized when I brought the PPI into my office was that I didn't need any other devices. And so if you look around my office here, there's no desktop, there's no other screen, there's no telephone. I can do the whole thing on the PPI.
So the PPI has really helped me in a productivity sense of being able to capture things that I couldn't do with the mouse.
When I show people common things that you can do, gestures and capabilities, swiping from the left, swiping from the right, the navigation that we can do, it makes this a device that people just love and are excited to get in touch with.
I don't end up having to take pictures of whiteboards anymore in meeting rooms and then go back to my office and try to find them.
The way we whiteboard has become a much more collaborative experience. It's no longer a static thing that just sits on a whiteboard that you erase and who knows what those notes were. For example, all the one-on-ones I've had the last 6 months and all the team meetings, I've stored all that data in here. All that can be shared with people on my team.
We together come up with the solution to the problem. We send it out to everybody, and then we have agreement.
As I'm whiteboarding, all of that information is being captured as digital ink. So when I want to go back and search on notes, I can do that now. I wasn't able to do any of that before.
The PPI board is great for making meetings interactive, whether it's having some people in my office looking at the PPI board or having a bunch of remote videos of everyone who's on a conference call.
And we can iterate on a team meeting, maybe an event, and I also even have my OneNote notebook open again so we can all take notes on what we want to do and whiteboard together. So maybe I want to set the agenda, and I want to talk about different times and bullets, and the team can interact with it too.
I can be in OneNote creating notes and drawing diagrams and coming up with plans, and the collaboration that happens through that is exciting to see people around the world. It's like everyone's in my office all at one time. We're actually interacting with the device in great ways in our collaboration, and it's fun to watch heads up, people looking and acknowledging each other instead of heads down doing the work that they do in some meetings where we don't have the device.
It turns out when you're on video and it's on the PPI board and you can see everyone in the room and they can see you, it makes the meetings really, really interactive.
One of the great things about the PPI when I go to present or demo some of our products is that it's a very natural human experience when I'm using this device.
And not only is it a great device for work and all the things I need to do on my job, occasionally I can go and have a little bit of fun and a little bit of play, and I can stay connected with the important things outside of work. Go Hawks!